Buzz, flutter. Can you spot the tiny garden helpers? Some insects do more than just fly around. They help flowers grow and spread all over the world. Today, we're going to become nature explorers and discover the amazing pollinators visiting flowers in our neighborhood. Now, let's start exploring. Step 1. Go outside and carefully observe flowers in your garden, park, or neighborhood. Look closely at the flowers and see if any insects visit them, like bees, butterflies, or other tiny insects. Do they land on the flowers? How long do they stay? Which flowers do they like the most? Take your paper and draw the insects you see visiting the flowers. You can color your drawings and add details like wings, stripes, or flower petals. Now record how often pollinators visit the flowers. Did bees visit more often than butterflies? Which insect did you see the most? Try making tally marks or simple notes on your paper. Try this! Ask yourself these questions. Which insects visit the most? What are they doing? Why are flowers important to them?